for the flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zodiac, and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good.
What's up? We going to the pool today, and this is not the fit. I promise y'all, this is not the fit. This shit off Amazon. I seen one on Amazon. They got a light on it. What? With a light on it? I think it can look dirty. I got the phone. You keep saying that. Cause it keep being blurry, and I think it's a little. I don't know if it's being as dirty or it's not.
It's not blurry.
Yeah, I wiped it off.
Let me see. Y'all, this little shit is itching my arm bad, so I'm finna scratch it off.
Girl.
Honey be in the club, we be wildin'. Say it.
Don't catch me playing with no broke nigga. It's on you, ain't
You okay, fuck me.
Wait, fuck you, oh my god, I hate you, like, oh.
Well, your ass just got it too much like her.
I'm dead. Hey, y'all.
So,
we had the shuttle stop.
Store.
We had the shuttle stop.
We at the grocery store. Ain't no little shuttle.
Yeah,
we gonna be in here. We not gonna know when.
No, she said try to look out the door, so we need to go up there. But y'all, we waiting for the shuttle to come get us, take us to this pool party. Today's 4th of July, and yeah, quick catch y'all up. I'm with Alika and Ethel. I don't know where Ethel went. But y'all, we had to go stand by the window so we can get on the shuttle because we got here late.
Crazy.
So
Yeah, we got really stupid, running crazy.
bitch, don't leave me. You don't do that. You don't leave me in this ghetto ass stove. You don't do that. The fuck we wrong with her? But y'all, where she going?
But I'm not tripping, so y'all got me looking ghetto and shit.
Hold on, y'all. I think it's good.
Let me see your camera. You see mine. If it paused, don't laugh. Yeah. She got me looking crazy.
She on the phone.
She got me looking crazy. In the store, like, why do I have on black socks? And then I gotta go to a... Yeah. I gotta go to a party like this. Look how everybody looks.
Good. How about you?
They got me looking like this. I just really need like a flat t-shirt. And if I get it out of here, y'all, she gave... Y'all, she literally gave me a nightgown. Like, I had a dress on. I swear, that thing was so big, y'all. But if they had t-shirts in here, I definitely would get them. But I wouldn't pay for them because look at the line, y'all. But we finna go to the front. That's the one to be on the phone. You want me to start recording? I don't know how, so. I don't know. Ooh. Bruh, you already got it on my phone. Oh God, I'm gonna need this video, Malia. Oh God, stop running. Oh God, stop running. Y'all making me look crazy. Malia, I'm gonna need this video. You heard me? I'm gonna need this video. Oh, look at little twin, y'all. We're on the school bus, man. I know what's going on.
That friendly shit. Went another toe tag, nigga laying in the crack. 5 shooters in the back of the Uber, nigga, and they ready to shoot.
Y'all, ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's like I didn't even do my edges to leave the house. Like, it looks bad. Yeah, I'm watching the and I look crazy and I'm sleep drunk.
How we gonna do it?
It's right there. Oh, y'all asking for too much? Okay, y'all, so let's switch it later. So, if y'all confused by this part, y'all, every time my friends get high, they want me to go downstairs and make them some fair snacks and shit when they literally know how to do it by themselves. So, I'm literally arguing with them like, no, I'm not making it because I be high myself, so I'm not finna go make y'all nothing. Like, y'all need to go make it yourself. I don't want none. They're not guests no more. Like, they not guests at all. So, like, yeah, am I wrong for not making them none? Even though I did make them some, I think. But am I wrong for not making them none? Like, because they can literally go down there and make something themselves. Like, right? Okay, y'all. Let me know if I'm wrong, okay? I asked for, no, y'all asked for, you better ask my sister. I'm not, no, guys. You're about to eat. Like, you're about to. You're about to eat. Like, you can't be that fucking hungry. I have some Gushers and some pretzels, chocolate pretzels upstairs.
You don't have no more.
No, it's no more. It's no more.
I think we finished before you.
You probably got like 3 pretzels up in there.
Thanks.
Yes, that.
Yeah, I'm not.
Only
No.
took 2 though.
When y'all, why do y'all think it's because y'all up under the influence? I'm not either. I cannot. Shut up. I cannot function in that kitchen. No.
I can function.
Do it.
You gotta
Do it. You're not a guest no more. You're not a guest. No, you're not. No, you're not.
just make it right.
You're gonna be a starving bitch if you a guest.
That's it.
Go down.
I wouldn't even do that.
Yes, you would. The fact that you would, yes, you would.
The fact that I would.
Yes, y'all would.
Literally go make.
No, you wouldn't.
Especially if I knew how to do it, and it was
You
really,
do know how to
and
do
it
it.
was really my recipe. Like you can't.
Hey guys, so today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, July 6th, and it's currently 4:26. Can I see that? It's 4:26, and I am laying down. I've been laying down all day. Well, I did some work, but I've been laying down all day or whatever. But today I'm going to see the new movie Insidious. I think Insidious 3 at iPick. We're going at 11. Sorry, now it's 4 something, I think. Yeah, it's 4 something, and we're going at 11. So I ordered me some food, ordered me some Zaxby's because we was supposed to go get seafood, but we're not getting food anymore. So I just ordered me some Zaxby's because I'm real hungry. So I waited for my food to get here, and then like around like, I don't know, like around like 9-ish, I'm probably going to get up and get in the shower and figure out what I'm gonna wear, because I haven't posted pictures on Instagram in a minute. So I think I want to post pictures, but I don't know. Like, I have outfits, y'all, but I don't know where the stuff is. Like, when I moved back home from school, like, I just put my stuff anywhere, so I don't know where all the pieces is. I don't feel like looking for everything. Like, this one silver purse, I don't know where it's at. Like, so I don't know, people gonna figure it out. But I'm just coming in here to start a video because y'all need to know I'm laying in the dark. I'm on mama right now. Well, I think I need to fill in my lash. Oh yeah, I need to fill in my lashes, y'all. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get up at, like I said, 9, probably 8, because I don't like being rushed. So I'm gonna get up and get ready. But y'all, I'm trying to upload my maintenance vlog, but it will not save to my iPad, and I literally don't have nothing on my iPad, so it's really stressing me out. Like, I've been so behind on videos only because I've been busy. Like, this work, like, I'm never doing summer classes again from the looks of it, because it's just too much work. I'm trying to enjoy my summer. I'm trying to, you know, do stuff like that. So I'm trying to worry about some classes. It's not my cup of tea. So yeah, but I can't wait for the back to school vlogs, because y'all know the back to school vlogs fun to eat down, y'all. Let me wipe my camera off because I think it's blurry. Yeah, but the back to school vlogs fun to eat. But yeah, I'm finna wait for my food to get here. Let's see. I think it's it said arrives between 4:30 and it's 4:29. They lying, because the dasher ain't even picked up my food yet. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get done eating, or I'm gonna share my food. I might. But y'all, let me show y'all my I'm sorry if I'm recording in the dark, guys. This is so ghetto, but y'all look at my tattoo. It's been healing, itching, peeling, just all of the above. Y'all, I've been patting the fuck out of my arm like for the past 2 days. Y'all, I got in the shower one day and it was just got so itchy. Like, y'all, it's so itchy. Like, this is the worst part about tattoos. But yeah, I'm coming back to y'all when I'm done eating or when my food gets here. So y'all, my food is here. I got some Zaxby's. Let me show y'all. And I didn't even look at it. Oh yeah, my braids are hard. Okay, the fries look good. My braids are hard, but we watching Taki and we finna eat. And after I eat, I'm gonna lay down and chill. I'm gonna lay down and chill or whatever, and go upstairs and clean my room up first, cause I need to make up my bed and stuff. Cause I've been down here all day. So we're finna eat and watch YouTube, and I'm gonna come back with y'all when I'm probably getting ready. Cause I'm not doing nothing else today, so yeah. So it's finna be 9 o'clock, and now it's time for me to get up and see what I'm finna wear because I still don't know. Like, yeah, I really don't know. I had ate some toast. My lashes keep getting stuck together. I redid them. Well, not redid them. I filled them in a little bit. But I ate some toast and it was so good. But I need to find something to wear. I really don't know. Like, should I wear like something chill? Like out? I don't know what to wear, y'all. I swear I don't. But when I find something to wear, I'm gonna show y'all or whatever. But I really don't. Yeah, when I find something to wear, I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm finna put my camera down right now so I can focus. Cause yeah, I should have been got up. I should have been got up. But I don't know what to wear. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I find me something to wear.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, they gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
Okay, y'all, so this is what we got right now. I just got on this white crop top jacket from Temu, this black crop top from Temu, these shorts from Shein, purse from Guess, and then my shoes or whatever. So y'all, it's like a little cute chill, y'all. It's like we're literally gonna be watching the movie like at 12 o'clock, so this should be fun. I'm gonna go do my hair or whatever, and if I get hot, I can unzip the jacket and I'm still be matching because I got on black or whatever. So I think this is what we're gonna go with. My friend said it looked fine, so this is probably what we're gonna go with. So right now it's 9:17. I'm about to go downstairs and plug up the fire iron for my edges and all the other stuff. And hopefully I don't change my outfit because y'all know how I get. Like, I'm not trying to do too much because like I have a do too much type of outfit, but I'm not going nowhere. So I think it's gonna be good. I don't think it's gonna be good because it's nothing wrong. But I kind of want to show my tattoo. Like, I didn't get the tattoo for no reason. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done doing my edges and all the other stuff. So we are dressed, and here's what I got on, y'all. I already think I just heard that, but I had made the crop top a little bit shorter. Then I got these shorts in my purse, and I did my edges. They're already sweating out, so y'all know how that gives. But it's real cute, and I'm wearing those shoes. I might bring this jacket like to go with the shoes because they match instead of the white one, because it's, yeah. So I'm looking real cute, and it's currently 10 something. They're on the way to come get me. I got a hiccup, so. Yeah, my belly piercing is so cute. Like, if y'all don't got no belly piercing, I need to go get a belly piercing immediately. But I'm gonna catch you guys when I get in the car or when we get to the movies, because they are on the way. So I'm gonna put my shoes on and straighten up a little bit so when I come back, it's not that much for me to do, so I can get in the big side. I do have to do hair in the morning. So y'all see how long my braids are? Like, they're literally touching a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Y'all, so we made it in. They say hey to the vlog. I'm dead. But yeah, y'all, it took us forever to try to find a place because our Uber.
I'm trying to vlog. What's up, vlog? It's your girl Tasia. At least the previous weekend.
We in this bitch, y'all. But yeah, we made it in.
We come to this place for magic. We come to AMC Theaters to love, to cry, to care.
It's 11:51 and our movie started at 11:25 and they still doing previews.
That indescribable feeling you
I
get
with it.
when the lights begin to dim.
I'm gonna let y'all know how the movie is and I'm come back.
And
We at or not. She's gonna get it. Y'all, we in the middle of the road. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car with Jersey and I just got done doing her hair. It's so freaking cute.
I will run off the road trying to show this hair.
Yeah, so we're finna go to Walmart, I think. And yeah, we're finna go to Walmart. It's currently like it's 4:36 and it's like a little bit raining a little bit. But I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm going to my friend Tasia pajama game night thingy at Airbnb. So I have to go get some pajamas from Walmart because I don't have appropriate pajamas. Well, I do, but I don't. So I'm gonna give me some pajama pants and we're gonna call it a day. And yeah, I had packed my stuff. I don't know what Jersey got. Jersey got a lot going on back
there. Because every time I go somewhere, I be having to feel like I'm moving in.
So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get to Walmart so I can see what kind of
no reason I have 3 bags.
Pants I'm gonna get. You have 3 bags?
There's somewhere back there.
I need to stop. What?
It's a pink bag back there. Tommy Hilfiger bag, and it's this other vacay bag.
I should have my duffel bag. Anyways, y'all, I need to stop picking out my eyebrow for it to be thin on the side. But I'll be doing that when I be like anxious and stuff.
Eyebrows?
Yeah. I just I don't know. Okay, y'all, I'm seeing when we get to Walmart.
Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I had a ski, let me pull up. You hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb asshole that's pressed for me.
We just got to Walmart and we're about to go to the boys section let's go this way, to find me some pants. Yeah. I don't know where we're going, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. I got these black biker shorts and it came with a pink and it was on sale for $4. And I got some soap because I love soap and this little deodorant. I'm gonna get that going and I'm gonna see y'all when we doing something. I don't know what we're doing right now. I'm gonna eat these chips because I'm hungry. It's about to be 5. Oh, my camera about to die. It's about to be, it's 5 o'clock and I haven't eaten food already, so y'all should try these. This is good. Y'all, so we made it to the Airbnb. Y'all, we've been made it to Airbnb, but I don't know if you heard Kyle. I'm not listening to him. Right. But y'all, I took a shower, we ate everything. But we finna go to
get some liquor.
Yeah, we finna go to the drive-in liquor store on Covington Highway. So if you live in Atlanta, you know that shit burnt, you know it is. That nigga eating a burnt ass.
Stop talking about
and it's dry. So y'all, we finna go. This is my shoes.
Don't fucking ass.
Wait, key.
Meatball had to look at that nigga.
Nigga, fuck you. You look like me.
You look like fucking meatball.
Yeah, so y'all, I'm come back to y'all when we get to liquor store. So we done made it to a quick trip. We got a little snack. I got me a Red Bull and a Gatorade and some chips. And they can slushies and stuff. And y'all, it's 10:21. So
what's the G-Way?
you know that's
Of course I did.
talking about what's up you in. You didn't get nothing?
What's up, G-Way? In the... We should have did the tea. What's up?
Oh, like she look like a
Nobody listen to that.
And then like put up with your tongue out. Pull up with your tongue out.
No, just don't do no bullshit like that.
We was going to give no, I have to listen to my jam. I've been listening.
Wait,
Girl, I thought he was coming for me.
go pull on your door.
It's cute. It's so cute, little.
Look at my dad.
I
got that.
Put on your head.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out.
What's up, G-Way? Somebody trying to come by.
What the fuck they doing?
Y'all, so we got these.
Oh, he didn't put it in the...
This is nasty. I already know.
How you know?
I tasted it before. Well, I tasted it.
Why would you let me get it if you
No,
think
I
it's
tasted the
nasty?
liquor. I didn't taste the strawberries. Oh, Tasia got these.
Okay, I'm finna... No, I gotta record.
I got this. Y'all got this. Alright, so Jersey got this. I don't know who got that. And yeah.
Jersey Milky.
This is spicy. What is it? No, is that?
Goodness.
No, if you put some ice.
Damn.
Why is it zoomed in?
You should have
got it.
That shit cold.
Let me put.
That shit cold would hit so hard, and it already hit.
It tastes like a melted milkshake. Can I taste it? What the fuck? You would get drunk as fuck off of that.
Y'all drunk?
No.
Yeah, I just drank it.
What, y'all?
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's spicy at the end.
Put it in the refrigerator.
It's right, it's pretty good.
Wait, I want to be in there.
Okay, so you got my bottle and drop your ass.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's so racist.
Y'all look.
Too motherfucking turnt.
Oh, wait. What you going first? We're finna do a little TikTok. So, go Jerry. Oh, I'm going first? So you gotta sing it to me. Oh. I like the drink. Wait, hold on. Ain't it 8? Yeah. Okay. I like to drink with Leah because Leah is my mate. I like to drink with Leah because she gets it down at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you didn't even try. The fuck? Yes, I did. Okay. Nigga, it's a shot. That little ass cup. Oh, let me finish. Nigga, she missed it. Okay. Will you not drink that all? Okay. You ignorant as fuck. Like he's ignorant. I like to drink. You ready?
I think I'm high.
I like to drink with Jay. Wait, what did you get to? Was it 5? You said 8. 1. You said 8. 7, 6, 5. Oh. You want to start over? No. Alright. I like to drink with Jersey because Jersey is my mate. I like to drink with Jersey because she gets it down at 8, 7, 6. Okay. What do I win? But a burning chest. A second one. Y'all, so Jersey got some rocking her cup. I'm actually finna pass out. So. Yeah, we only took one shot. How? Yeah, like, come on, we were sipping on that other stuff. Yeah, like, come on, we've been sipping. We've been sipping. Okay. So y'all, we been drinking that moonshine stuff. So I like that drink with Jersey because Jersey is my mate. I like to drink with Jersey because she gets sit down at 8, 7. Bruh. I'm gonna be throwing up. Both of us can't be fucked. That's not fair. I didn't even get it. I got it down in like a second. You just have to swallow it. I'm sorry. You just. Okay, y'all. No, it's your turn now because you gotta drink your. Come on. I like to drink with Leah because Leah is my mate. I like to drink with Leah because she gets it down at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. No. Wait, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, I'm done. I'm done. Y'all, I feel it in my stomach. Open the sink. Yeah, just don't. You probably drink the sink. Like, go here. Y'all. I wish I had some ginger ale. Did that help? Yeah, it comes down a little bit. Keep the water. What the fuck? Like, y'all. It's a shame. You ought to be ashamed to do that. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all, good morning, y'all. We are up. It's 11:58. And we're about to get ready to go to where we going? IHOP.
So do I find the wallet first?
I'm about to get ready to go to IHOP to get us a little breakfast. Oh yeah, we can see the highway from right there.
See your car?
But yeah, we finna get ready to go to IHOP. We just got done brushing our teeth and stuff.
You didn't even go to Wendy's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I did that yesterday.
I'm sleep tired.
Why are you coming into her
All that over a vape?
She must have threw his vape out.
I'm not recording her.
My McDonald's.
I don't think it's over your food.
Baby, you already did. It's like, wow. Betty eating Betty eating Blue Crisp. We all out. Don't worry about it. I got it. I'm good. Why not fucking doing that? Yeah, we got our food. They put a whole bunch of seasoning salt on my fries.
You're welcome.
Eating. Y'all ate the fuck up on his plate. I'm probably not even gonna eat this. You couldn't even tell that I really did take this into my daddy. So, Jersey drinking the BC. She always just threw up.
Why you been greasy?
Cause she got.
Can't be on YouTube.
Yeah, you can. Y'all, they popping a firework. Cal's so impatient. He want to pop a firework and it's still light out there.
No, I'm hungry.
That's a real firework?
Yeah.
Why do Kyle not have no pajamas? That's not
Never
fair.
mind, I'm tell you that.
Look at that dumbass.
How you missing it?
Move! Why you running? Oh shit! Oh, that was a good one. Why did y'all wait? Why didn't y'all wait? And then Jersey going out there 2 seconds later to look. It's not in the fucking sky no more, bro. Why didn't y'all wait? That's so wild. Y'all.
You gotta wait. Wait, that bitch gonna shoot.
See? Oh, never mind.
Let me go to my edges. Let me go to my edges.
How's your right? Jersey, wait. You actually. I thought that was mine. You keep playing.
Hey, what's yours? What's yours?
Chill.
You need to bring your jacket.
Oh my gosh.
Did you bring it?
Okay, I'll bring it.
Did you bring it?
No,
Did you bring it? Did you bring it? Did you bring it? Did you bring it?
Chill.
Did you bring it? You thought I stole from you? Nah. I never be friends with you that think I stole from you.
Hey, love. What the fuck is poppin'? I don't know what else to say. I'm not drunk. I'm sober the fuck up.
You might want to.
Because the motherfucking cock keep rolling around here and I don't play that shit anyway. I go in my purse.
What?
Oh, sorry.
Port Bella.
I don't know that, so.
See that I got right?
What you got to spend money on?
That's pancake.
Listen to that.
Oh my god,
Y'all niggas against the grain don't even know what a grain is.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, we finna go pop a motherfucking firecracker.
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
Somebody help me up. I got to
Steph, come on.
somebody please.
Let me have a video in it.
Somebody help me.
Get on song.
Somebody help me up. Somebody help me up.
Hey y'all, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun, and make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. It'll be in the description down below, and make sure you guys follow me on my dump page, because that's where I post most of my YouTube stuff. So that will be in the description down below too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love y'all.